Okay, it's Christmas 2012. Lonnie's present, Jacob's present. They don't know it's out here yet. Hey, you're supposed to be over there, I said. Hold on.
You're not going to tell me?
But it's for him too.
Okay. Jacob, you need to close your eyes.
Go on, close the eyes.
Both of you guys.
You walk Jacob out, I'll walk Ilan out. Close your eyes, Ilan.
Oh, shoot.
You're not going to put shoes on?
No, yeah.
Keep them closed. Keep your eyes closed. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. It's a surprise. Keep them closed.
Okay.
Keep your eyes closed. Keep them closed. I'm going to show you a surprise.
But it's something big or small? I don't know.
Big or small?
Keep your eyes closed. Keep them closed.
Because at my dad's, they made me close my eyes like this, and it was something big. So I'm just going to guess something big. Because at my dad's, I got something big, so I'm just going to guess. I don't know.
Okay, keep her
Alright,
closed.
keep
Keep
your
her
eyes
closed.
closed,
Stay right there. Hold on. You open the door first. I'll walk you out.
Close your eyes.
Keep them closed. Keep them closed.
What, Jay? What?
Keep it closed. Keep it closed. Keep it closed. Keep it closed.
Don't look.
Don't look. Don't look. Stay still. Don't look. Keep it
Don't
closed.
look.
Keep
Hold
it
on.
closed.
Hold on, Jay.
Keep it close, keep it close, keep it close. Keep it close, keep it close, keep it close. Keep it close. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas!
Cool!
That one's yours, Jacob.
Go, cut.
Uh-huh.
Can't stop it. Can we go right up today?
Yeah.
We're going to go right over now. Come on, Jake. This one's too big to fit through. Okay, here we go.
You like it?
I can. Also, you bought them from the, what's it called? The kids who had these? They had a sticker, no wonder what was poking me.
Do you like it, Lenny?
Yeah, I'm going to go right there now.
It's like you'd be driving the car.